So I thought I would do a quick video on my interior lights. As you can see, there's lights under the dash. There. There's lights in the front speakers. Lights in the seat bases in the back. I also have this fiber optic light. Some rope lights in the back. Run all the way around. There's a blue lights in the speaker box. And the other rear speakers. I was trying to find some vintage lights for the rear. I used the original dome lights, but I just put a pull chain to turn them on. Try to keep it kind of vintage. Thanks for watching my video. Please like or subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you.